Hands Our Homestead.
That's a bonnet. That's what?
I think it's some hiking boots.
Because it's supposed to be 3 packages.
Look, these got to be yours, so they're here. There might be 2 in one. There's supposed to be 3 boxes?
Yeah. The other one probably come today.
I said, that's what I should have got. The 12 would have been tight.
So you ended up getting a 13?
Uh-huh.
So what you think, they fit true to size, or?
Yeah, it's maybe
Little
like a
bit
size up.
Size
I really
up?
wear like a 12 and a half.
Oh, so size up?
Yeah. If you wear a 12 and a half, get a 13. Oh, yeah.
These boots are made for walking.
Oh, they ain't made for dancing?
Oh, yeah, they could be made for dancing, too. All right, y'all, so we are on our way to check the P.O. box. We got some packages at the post office, too, so let's see what we got, y'all. Hey Homestead family, welcome back to the channel. As you see, we are out here getting some hay. We got D back, y'all. He been missing, he been working, doing his own little thing. So he back on the homestead today to help us out around there so we can get some stuff done. We are getting 3 round bales for the horses. Y'all know we are trying to stack up so we can prepare for the winter. We try to do this every year. Somehow we always run short towards the end of the winter, but we're gonna try to do it the correct way this time. Hopefully that works, y'all. All right, Bobby.
I got my new boots on. They got grip. These boots got grip. You see how fast I stop?
Man. Only one going right here?
Yeah, I'm gonna put the other mattresses.
Oh, okay.
Put it on the other side.
That's these hot seats.
That was almost a football player move. Today's video is sponsored by High C. No matter where your adventures take you, one thing is essential: reliable, comfortable footwear. High C boots are crafted with durability and comfort in mind, ensuring that your feet stay protected and comfortable all day long. High C makes sure your feet stay dry, warm, and cool throughout the day. And not to mention, you get a 100-year lifetime warranty. How amazing is that? Whether you're working on your homestead, fishing, or hunting, High C boots have you covered. These boots are ready for anything and perfect for everyone, including the kids. So make sure you step into your next adventure with confidence. Step into High C boots. Go to www.highc.com and use our code OurHands to get a 15% discount on your next purchase. Also, you can go to Amazon and use 15 OurHands to get 15% off of your purchase of the new High C Kid rain boots for boys or girls. They're waterproof, lightweight, and they light up, making it perfect for your child to play in. These boots are in toddler sizes, little kids, and big kids. So don't hesitate. Go ahead and get you some High C boots. We can guarantee that they are comfortable. With me working in my garden on a daily basis, the women's mid-calf rubber garden boots were perfect for me. We didn't leave Deasia out either. Deasia ended up getting the women's upgraded rain boots in pink. They are camouflage. They are heavy duty. She is going to enjoy them. She happened to be out of town, so she couldn't try on the boots herself, but she enjoys when it rains and walking in water. So these boots are going to be perfect for her during the rainy season and her helping me in my garden. As you seen at the beginning of the video, Bobby put his boots on. He wore them throughout the day, and he said at the end of the day his feet was not hurting and he could wear them all day from here on out. We want to thank High C for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get back to the build. I think it's right here. Yeah. It's right here. No, I don't know. I don't think so. Yep. That's Bobby talking to blessings, y'all. So what I'm doing is I'm cutting this drywall. Oh, I do have it marked down there. I'm cutting this drywall out so we can put it at the top and go ahead and get that wall closed. I actually niched it right here too, because we had like this part goes around the frame. So we're gonna do it like this. Like that there. Oh.
Yeah. Like the icebox on the new.
Yeah. You got it? And them high C boots working. Oh yeah, remember we was doing it, letting it be a little looser.
Yeah, we gotta put
Oh, okay, okay.
We just got what we done with it.
Yeah.
that's what we was doing.
All right, y'all. So what Bobby and Dee end up doing is piecing up a piece of drywall up there. I mean, piecing a piece of drywall. Piecing a piece of insulation up there because the plan was to go here and then continue from there and go down so they wouldn't have to climb that high up on the ladder, but we all forgot. So we're doing that section right there like that, and then we'll continue the rest the way we want to do it.
Let you go? I can leave this right here. Here, I'm not gonna hold you nothing.
All right, Homestead family. So Bobby and Dee have done all of this installation. We kind of picked the perfect day to do this because it started raining. I don't know if you can see outside through the windows that it's raining because it cooled it down in here because it was extremely hot in here earlier because we have the ceiling insulated. So with us insulating the ceiling, it's going to keep it a little bit cooler in here than it usually is because the sun is actually on the side in the evening where Bobby is, and it's beaming on the side of the house, which makes it, you know, hot. So with them putting that insulation in the ceiling, it's going to help a lot. And we do plan on getting more insulation. We'll probably end up paying full price for it. Y'all know we got a discount on the ones that are on the floor, but we probably won't get a discount again. But, you know, oh well. we chilling over here while they working. Bobby is measuring the insulation so we can place them in these slots up here to enclose that. So we only gonna get 2 out of it, huh? Not 3. Yeah, look like it.
Oh, no, this will stay though.
Oh yeah.
This to that, right?
Yeah, that's true. I forgot. My bad. All right, y'all. As you see, we have finished a portion of the ceiling, basically the living room area. That is the installation that I got on clearance from Home Depot. Remember the last video. We had enough to complete everything except for like 2 pieces, and I'll show y'all in a minute. We are going to go back to Home Depot and get 3 more bags of insulation, probably this week, so we can complete the ceiling in the farmhouse and start putting the drywall up. I know y'all want to see a little bit more details when we start putting up the insulation, the drywall and whatnot, but Blessings is congested and she's not feeling very well, so I pretty much had to hold her the entire time in this video. So that's why you didn't see me interacting too much in this. You just seen Bobby and Dee doing everything. So we are gonna end this video right here, and we will see y'all in the next one. Bye, y'all.